Then we'll click on Atlas here within Apps. And then we'll click on AI Product Photos. Now over here on the right-hand side, you'll see that the AI Store Builder actually provides you with a video tutorial, which is super helpful. For now, we'll click on Next to move on to the next step. Here are some training photo requirements that are important for you to keep in mind. Try to upload multiple images displaying different angles of your product. Upload at least 2 images of the product only. Always make sure that you remove all text and distracting background items. Try to keep a consistent image quality and product color. And they recommend uploading 5 to 8 photos when you train your AI model. You can see some example images here of what you should and should not do. Once you collect all of the product images that you want to use to train your model, we'll click on Next. Here we can see a couple more training photo examples. Try to follow all of the training photo requirements to ensure you're getting the best quality photos possible. We'll click on Next to move on to the next step. This slide here details the training speed. In this video, we'll be going with the 30-minute training, but they recommend doing the 3-hour training for the best results. Click on Next again. We'll learn more about the AI recommended prompt in a few moments. For now, click on Next, and then click on Train Your AI Model. Now we can start training our AI model by giving it a name. Your customer will never see this name, so you can name it whatever you want. I'll just name it Cloud Slides. Then we can select our products. I have mine that I imported from AliExpress at the beginning of the video, so I'll select it here. And we'll see the product photos from our Shopify product page populate here below. These all follow the training photo requirements listed by Atlas that we saw earlier, so I'll select all 4 of these photos here. If you have additional photos of your product that you want to train your model with, go ahead and upload those here as well. Like I mentioned earlier, I'll be going with the 30-minute training for this video, but I do recommend going with the 3-hour training if you want the best results. Now, once you're ready, go ahead and click on Start Training Your Model. From there, you'll be brought to this page, and you'll see that your training status will say Processing. Once it's done, it'll say Succeeded, like it does for me on my page here. And to begin generating AI product photos, click on the Actions button on the right-hand side. Now here is where you can create your prompt when generating your photos. You could go ahead and write out the whole prompt by yourself, but I recommend clicking on the Use AI Suggested Prompt button here at the top to have most of the work done for you. And also when you use this button, it actually makes the results of your photos a lot better in my opinion. Here we can click on the Use This Prompt button and we'll see the prompt populate here. You have to provide the AI with a ton of detail. Everything from the design of the product, the color, the background, the lighting, and the environment that the product is in. It can be difficult to write all of this by yourself, and that's why this button exists here in the top right. If you want to change something within the prompt, you're free to do so simply by highlighting the text and altering it yourself. I'm happy with this prompt, so I'll scroll down and click on Generate Now. I'll click on it again to confirm. And scrolling down, we'll see our product photos generating here at the bottom. Let's go ahead and give these guys a second to generate. And there we go. Just like that, we have super high quality product photos to choose from. I really like how these turned out, and I think I'll go with this one and this one. Now to begin the process of uploading these product photos to our product page, select the ones that you want and then click on Save Selected Images. From there, you can now click on the Saved Images tab here, and you'll see those product photos appear in the bottom. Select the photos that you want, and then we'll scroll down and click on Download Selected. Doing this will save the product photos to your device so you can upload them to your Shopify product page. Now let's click on Products on the left-hand side here. Then we'll click into our product. Now let's scroll down and upload our product photos here. Click on the plus icon, click on Add Media, and I'll upload the 2 product photos that I saved a second ago. Let's go ahead and upload those here. And then I'll click on Done. And now you can repeat this exact same process to generate even more product photos, giving your store a full gallery with a clean, consistent, and professional look. Now I've gone ahead and repeated the exact same process to generate even more high quality product photos, which again is going to give my store this nice, clean, professional look. Doing this will really help drive more sales to your store.